Hey, we have here today another integral from the UNSW CPMS Integration B 2023. This was from round 2, problem 7. We have the integral of 3x squared minus 1 times natural log x plus 1 dx. Okay, now you probably could do some type of u substitution here, but what I found is the thing that's really standing out is we have natural log. And most of the time we have natural log, we're going to want to use integration by parts. And so I'm just going to go ahead with that right off the bat. So I'm going to use integration by parts using the DI method or tabular integration. And we want to differentiate our natural log because it's going to be hard to integrate that alone. So we'll differentiate our natural log x plus 1. And we will just integrate this 3x squared minus 1, this thing over here. Now, when we differentiate natural log, we'll put a minus up front there. It's just going to give me 1 over x plus 1. We don't really have to worry with the chain rule, but if we take the derivative of x plus 1, we just get back a 1. Then we'll integrate 3x squared minus 1, and this is actually going to just give me x cubed. When we take the 3 into the denominator, it's just going to cancel. So all we have here is x cubed, and then for the minus 1, this is going to give me minus x right here. So then we'll have part of our solution here on the diagonal. Let's just write that down. So we're going to have x cubed minus x from our table times natural log x plus 1. And now all this here is going to be an integral. Well, this x cubed minus x in the numerator, but I'm actually going to factor out an x just to move this along. So when I do that, we're going to end up with x squared minus 1 here. And then we're going to have x plus 1 in the denominator. Now from here, we're going to take this integral. And when I rewrite it, I'm going to take this x squared minus 1, and that's a difference of 2 squares. So I can write my numerator as x times, splitting up our x squared minus 1 as x plus 1 times x minus 1. And then we'll have our x plus 1 here in the denominator. But then we get cancellation of the x plus 1s. And then I'll just distribute this x back in. So this integral is actually going to become x squared minus x. So let me just rewrite this before we finish it off. Okay, now for our last step, all we need to do is just integrate this thing here, but this is just going to be power rule. So integral of x squared is going to give me minus x cubed over 3. And then distributing in minus to minus is going to give me a plus x. So we're integrating plus x. So this is going to become plus x squared over 2. I'll put a plus c on there at the end, and that's it. Okay, so good quick problem. We'll stop right there. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day.